Assalamu alaikum, I hope everyone is doing well. I thought I'll do a face vlog where I'm talking directly to you. So let me know what you think about this vlog for this weekend. I'm just about to do a school run. I'm so glad the sun is shining and it's not raining. It was pouring down today. Look at that blue sky, it looks lovely. Anyway, I'm a bit late for school run, so I need to run. To add, when I come back from school run, log back in, do work, and at 5 o'clock on the dot switch off and get ready and go for bowling with some work colleagues. Bowling and eating out and try and capture some of the stuff that I get up to tonight. Hi guys, it's just gone past 6 p.m. and I've managed myself to get here on time to this restaurant where we're meeting some work colleagues and then we're going to go bowling. It's a bit of a stressful drive into Glasgow. I'm so not used to driving. I don't really drive that much in central Glasgow. But anyhow, I managed to get ready in about 45 minutes. Which isn't bad, but it was a bit of a struggle. Anyway, I'm here, so I'm gonna go enjoy. So that's where Hollywood Bowl is, Odeon, Jaiwala, and we are going into chapter 5. So this is the next day, it's a Saturday, and I'm quickly having granola as my breakfast before we head off to IKEA to quickly get some bits and pieces for the bedroom, and then in the evening we have another dinner party to go to. Hi guys, I hope you all are well. I look a bit drained, I know, excuse. So, had a fantastic night last night with my work colleagues. It was just fabulous, so refreshing to go out and just chat. COVID really took that away, and working from home does take that away. Anyway, I'm off to Greyhead. We've got to pop into IKEA, sort the curtains out for the bedroom, and what else do we need? I need to return something from Primark and TK Maxx as well. And then this evening we've got another party to go to. So yeah, I'll take you along with me. Guys, look at that trolley, how lovely is that? And these look new to me, these wicker baskets. Oh, I think that's the same thing. And then you've got these baskets as well. So here we are in Primark. Honestly guys, Primark Home has just gone to another level. There's just so many things that we could buy. We went into town centre and here I am getting ready for tonight. Guys, we're here at our second evening dinner that I'm going to go to. Kids are waiting outside, so I'm back to going massive plate. Probably the last one, I reckon, but nothing different there. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. So with all the eating out, I just wanted to have a healthy breakfast. So I'm just frying up some red chilies with some red onions, then going to soften the colourful crunchy capsicum as well that I've just cut quite chunky, so I kind of want to enjoy it. I'm going to put this aside and then make an omelette. Sometimes when I'm a bit conscious, I use coconut oil. I do find it so much lighter, much healthier, of course. I just kind of left some of the onion bits in, and once the omelette is cooked, I'm just going to spread the vegetables all over and also add mozzarella cheese. Now I was meant to fold this, but I realised that I made the omelette too thick, so I doubled up on the eggs. Anyhow, that's why you see me only placing the mozzarella on one side. Anyway, this was a really lovely, appetizing, nutritious breakfast. So as soon as I had my breakfast, I hit the kitchen with some cleaning. I recently bought this home spray mop. My previous one was not an Edis one, it was from another company, and it broke very, very quickly. So I'm hoping this doesn't break, and it's so good. The spray is really powerful. I added some Flash detergent floor cleaner, diluted with water, and that is what I'm cleaning the floor with. I did have to go over a couple of times because it's been a while since I cleaned the floor. Unfortunately, I've just not gotten around to it. I'm also cleaning the base of these bar stools. They've just gotten so dirty. They needed a proper scrub. So I ended up using a soft sponge with some pink solution to really get the grime off. I also realised that I could wipe the cupboard, I don't know what you call it, this underneath part of the cupboard with the floor mop as well. So I decided that actually I'm going to change the mop head and use this to wipe all the cabinets very quickly. And honestly, this has been a game changer. Suddenly I was able to clean the cupboard doors within minutes, and it's so handy because you can do the very top one without having to get the stool out. Not only that, I actually ended up doing a quick clean of the kitchen door as well. Then moved on to cleaning the counter. This counter needed clean, so decided to clean that and give the toaster a quick wipe down as well. Probably should have done this before cleaning the floor, but anyway, I was focused on getting the floor clean first. And I love using this little brush, it's just so lovely. I'm adding some touches of autumn decor and just styling it in my kitchen. Absolutely love how clean the kitchen looks now. And just before I was about to hit the bed in the evening, my son came in and had this accident in the downstairs floor.